Welcome to the Poland Machine Tour, Metalworking and Welding Fair. Welcome, this is Hongniu Laser's booth. Look, wow, so many people here for our machine. This fair, we are showing 2 chucks laser tube cutting machine and a single platform laser cutting machine.
Our 2 chunks laser pipe cutting machine with semi-automatic loading. It can cut round tubes, square tubes, channel steel, and so on.
Our single platform laser cutting machine looks awesome. It cuts carbon steel and stainless steel very quickly and stably. These are some cutting samples. The cut surface is super smooth. Good machine is good quality. Many clients sign orders at the show. Choose Hongniu Laser, choose success.